Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing into the Google account you want to protect. Once signed in, make sure your device and browser are updated because passkeys rely on modern platform support. Next, check security two-step verification and enable it if required. Google often requires 2SV before adding passkeys. Now, navigate to Security Passkeys to begin creation. These preparatory steps ensure your device can store and present a passkey securely and avoid interruptions during setup. Once you're on the Passkeys page, choose Add or Create Passkey and let the browser trigger the platform authenticator. When prompted, verify your identity using the method your device supports: PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. The authenticator generates a private key stored locally and registers a public key with Google. Make sure to give the passkey a descriptive name so you can identify it later. After confirmation, Google will sync the passkey across devices tied to your account automatically if sync is enabled. Finish by signing out and using the passkey sign-in flow to confirm everything works. If the passkey option doesn't appear, make sure device-to-account sync is on and your browser is allowed to use platform authenticators. If you lose access to the device, immediately sign in with an alternate two-step verification method and revoke the lost device's passkey in Security Passkeys. That single troubleshooting step, use backup 2SV to regain access, solves most recovery scenarios quickly and securely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.